In this video series, I will be sharing 3 game-changing tips for beginner artists. First, always embrace perfection. Don't be afraid to embrace the unique pattern and texture that coffee brings to your artwork. Embrace the unexpected and let the nature variation in your coffee strokes create captivating composition. Experiment with different brews. Not all coffees are created equal. When it comes to painting, try using different type of coffee such as instant coffee, espresso, or even flavored variation. To achieve different shades and tone, you'll be amazed at the range of coffee you can create. For this time lapse, I will be just using the brush stroke technique. You can get creative and explore using everyday objects like toothpick, cotton swab, or even kitchen utensils to create interesting textures and effect. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and let your imagination run wild. Whether you are a coffee lover just like me or an art enthusiast, these surprising tips will surely elevate your coffee painting game. Comment below if you are a coffee lover. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can watch all the series of my coffee painting.